Hello all, I've come down to Runcorn Old Town, down to the canal where they're going to do this Unlock Runcorn. I've just got my drone up, we're just going to go and follow the route where this new Unlock Runcorn will go, the canal down to join the Manchester Ship Canal. So we'll just take a slow little fly down, and what I'll do is I'll just try and talk you through where's where as we're going. So to me, I just assumed that it went straight from the canal, but obviously when you get up above here now we can actually see. You see I get a bit confused with the drone, and that we needed to just shear off to the right a little bit just by them trees just to get us back straight again, because if we was to go there we'd just go straight through houses, which that's never going to work. So we'll just sort of pan round to the right just by these trees. What we'll do then is we'll just continue to follow on down through the trees, just have a nice, get us on central, have a nice slow flyover. So just take it nice and slow as we go down. So it looks like through these now, what I'm going to do another video where I will walk down with me camera, and I'll actually walk down the route so we can be under them trees, so I can actually show you more of how it's going to be. Underneath them trees on both sides is basically of the path. It pretty much, most of the canal footpaths already there, still there, it's just obviously been filled in. If you look to the right here where these goalposts are, this is rumoured on the plans. I should have really put the plans up for you, but it's not really for me to do that. On them plans, this is where they're going to have a marina, and I'm sure they said it's going to be like something like room for 41 canal boats, which would be great. So it's like I might even buy a canal boat and live there myself. So you never know what can happen. So we'll just continue on now along here. I did have someone asking to speak to me just up there then, but I refused because I need to obviously be concentrating on where my drone is and what I'm doing with the drone. So that was a little bit of delay then, just explain to them while keeping my eye on the drone that I couldn't actually talk to them, which if that was you, I do apologise. I wasn't being ignorant, I was just trying to explain to the best I can. So as you can see now from this path, that path, tarmac path, is literally the canal. That's where the canal will be, this path all the way down. What we'll do then is, just as we get to the bottom here, we'll come to a bit of grass verge and a road. Where that is, I believe they're going to go under that, some type of little tunnel, fancy little tunnel to get under that, and then I think then that's the only obstacle, apart from a few of the houses, bin cupboards, that'll just go under that, and then it'll just literally, see where the zigzag is there, literally just straight through, just at the side of these houses here. Where them trees are there now, you'll see like pebble path. That's pretty much the canal, and at the end there, that's it. That's where you can see the canal, just there. So what we'll do, I'll just leave you there for a minute, let you have a little look at that, and then we'll spin round and we'll head back. It may not be as smooth coming back. I think my battery was about to go a bit low, so I've got myself back as quick as I can just to land it, so I didn't go back the full length. But like I said, I will get that done when I go down with my camera, have a little film. That's something you're interested in, and I'm going to follow this process just to see how it goes, and have it all documented with my drone, and we'll go from there. So I'll be quiet for a minute while we turn around and get back. Sorry, I did say we were going to be spinning around a bit, just trying to get me bearings of where we are to come back. So there we go, you can pretty much see a bit better now. Obviously the trees are not really in the way there. We're just following this grey tarmac path up, all the way up through the trees. There's a nice bit of freight train going over from Runcorn station. Oh, well, it's not gone from Runcorn station, it's passing through Runcorn station. So again, just underneath these trees, there's the railway viaduct there. And that's pretty much where it'll go. If you just look beyond these trees here where there's some fencing, they've started doing some digging. If I just bring my drone down there. No, it didn't actually do it, fortunately. So I've actually managed to get right back up to the canal again with the route. I mean, it's not the clearest, but I've done the best I can with that. So obviously, Mersey Gateway Bridge in the distance there, the old Runcorn Witness Bridge there, and this grass is where the old road used to link up to the old Runcorn Witness Bridge. And that's it, guys. So hope you enjoyed that video. If you do, give us a like, maybe subscribe, and see where we can go with this channel. Just there below now is where they started digging the weekend just gone. I believe they had some volunteers there, a little dig, so if you want to volunteer, I believe they're doing something every weekend. Thank you.